the hell was that? Hi guys, I'm here with my friend Brandon. Hi Brandon. Okay, so I'm going to school in 2 weeks, and I need a way to keep Big Henry fed, so we're building a fish feeder.
Sounds good.
Yeah, let's do it.
What are the motion shots?
The water, stuff was moving around, doing stuff. Good job, Brandon. Now we're gonna cut a hole in here. This is where did it go? Okay. Last piece. Okay. I did a science today, Brandon. Okay. Come on, Brandon. Okay. So now we need to do a proof of concept where we make sure it can dispense food by spinning. So we got our tropical fish flakes here on the table and a big bowl to catch everything. So basically, here's how our fish feeder is gonna work. We're gonna grind up a bunch of fish flakes, pour them into our fish feeder, just like that. You can get a nice close up there. Okay, so there's our fish feed, right? Then Big Henry's gonna be down here, and it'll be like, not like that. It'll be like, whoa, food. See all that food coming out, Brandon? That's what we want. I hold it with the hand just in case. Good job, Brandon. Okay, we spent like 6 hours to make this so far. We haven't attached the thing yet.
$5.50. I'll be home by 6:05. I just need to change shirts and I'm ready to go.
Yeah, you do.
All right, sounds good.
Why are you wearing the Cal Poly shirt, Brandon? Where are you going to school, Brandon?
Texas A&M.
What's with the shirt, buddy?
I don't know. That's what I slept in last night.
Yeah. Okay. Right? Okay. Bye, Brandon. Thank you.
Bye, Tyler.
Bye, Brandon. Bye, Brandon. Okay. Here's the circuit board I designed for the fish feeder. So its main job really is just to help provide power to all the different components. So the big IC right here is the L7805 5-volt regulator. So what it's doing is taking the 12 volts from my wall adapter, which I connect up to the pin headers behind it, and converts it to 5 volts. The output is smoothed out by these capacitors, and then these pin headers just make it easier to connect all the different components up to. On the other side, there are some more pin headers. So these are for connecting the button and the switch up to the Arduino, and also to these 10K pull-down resistors. Okay, here are all the components hooked up to the circuit board. So we have the servo, the Arduino, the 3-position switch, and the button. So what the button does is it makes the servo do a 180 flick there and back, and then the switch, one of the modes in the middle, it's off, and one of them it switches every 10 seconds. There it goes. It should happen sooner with the last option, which is 5 seconds, and there it goes. Okay, in the final product, obviously, instead of 5 seconds and 10 seconds, it'll be 12 every 12 hours, which feeds the fish twice a day, or 24, which is once a day. So all that's left to do is to reprogram that and throw these into the fish feeder. Alright, just want to do a quick test before I actually mount it above the tank. So I got my fish feeder loaded up with some Tropical Fish Flakes. To make loading it easier, I have this little flap cut on top and a magnet taped to it. So you can open it up, dump all the Tropical Fish Flakes you want inside, and then it'll snap shut. It'll attach to this metal washer on the inside. So whenever I push the button, it dispenses fish food. Great. Yeah, so I think Big Henry's gonna like that. Keep him fed while I'm at college. And yeah, time to mount it to the tank.